Welcome back to day 2 of our nutrient solution series. What we're going to do today is we're going to take the filtered water that we created in day 1, and then we're going to go ahead and start adding in nutrients. So the number one question I get asked right at the top is, can I use this for soil plants? And the answer to that is absolutely yes. So this here is a 3-part fertilizer system by a company called General Hydroponics. Depending on the ratio with which you mix these, you can affect something called the NPK value. There's 3 numbers in front of every single fertilizer that you buy, and that stands for the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium values that they provide to your plant. What I recommend for you is actually what I use personally, and that's just to follow the instructions that are on the bottle. The recommended recipe is 5 milliliters of each of these into 1 gallon of water. There is one caveat, and that's that Flora Micro needs to be mixed in first, and then we'll start adding in the other ingredients after that. Pull up 5 milliliters of solution of our Flora Micro and add it into our jug. Put the lid on and give it a good shake. Next, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we can add any remaining ingredients. Do 5 milliliters of Flora Grow and 5 milliliters of Flora Bloom. Give this final mix a shake. Now, for a long time, this was actually the entirety of my nutrient solution. But over the years, I found a few things that I can add to this mix that will help my plants uptake the nutrients better, protect them from pests, among a few other cool benefits. So we'll talk about that in the upcoming days. But in the meantime, if you don't want to deal with the whole 3-part thing, there are some single-part nutrient solutions. There's a company called Growth Technology. A lot of people love them. They make a product called Foliage Focus. It is semi-hydroponic compatible as well as soil compatible. It'll do basically the same thing. I just prefer this because A, I've used it for a long time, and B, I like being able to make different mixes to get different ratios of my fertilizer. We'll see you for part 3 tomorrow.